Hi everyone, we are the Group 10 and today we'll be presenting our project entitled Water Tank Design Checker using a C++ program.
So this program checks whether a tank meets the minimum required volume of 10,000 liters. So it's important for systems like firefighting reserves, rainwater harvesting, and household water supply.
Water tank design is an essential task in fluid mechanics, especially for rural or emergency areas where water availability is critical. Our C++ program helps engineers and planners to calculate the tank's volume based on its shape and dimension. If the tank's volume is less than 10,000 liters, the program tells the user to re-enter new dimensions. This way, the tank design can be corrected early.
So now let's go through the logic of the program. So first, we ask the user to choose the tank shape. So we use a switch case statement to compute the volume based on the shape. So the 5 options are cylinder, rectangular prism or box, sphere, conical tank, and bladder tank or horizontal cylinder. So let's look at some formulas we used. So in cylinder, we use pi times radius squared times height. In box, length times width times height. And in sphere, 4/3 times pi times radius cubed.
For other shapes, like the conical tank and the bladder tank, we put a 1/3 times pi times the radius squared and multiplied by its height. And for the bladder tank, we put pi times radius squared times length. We compute the volume in cubic meters to convert it to liters by multiplying it by 1000. If the volume is below the required minimum, the program uses a while loop to ask for new dimensions. This logic ensures that the tank always meets the needed capacity.
Okay, so now, we'll run the program and try various examples. First, we'll choose a cylindrical shape of a tank with dimensions 1.2 meters for the diameter and height of 2.5 meters. The program calculates a volume below 10,000 liters, so it asks us to enter new values.
So let's try again with diameter 2.5 meters, height 3 meters. So now the volume is more than 10,000 liters, and the program confirms that the tank design is acceptable.
For other shapes, we have a conical tank.
Oh man, need that money. Just do what the koala says.
So that's how you compute for conical tank. Next, we have a bladder tank. So now I'm gonna show you a full demonstration of running the code. So we're going to choose the conical tank. Now let's choose the spheres. So number 3, diameter in meters. Let's put 3, and there you go. Calculated volume 14,137.2 liters. Status: tank meets the minimum volume requirement. Water tank design checks completed.
And to summarize, our water tank design checker computes volumes for different tank shapes and ensures that they meet the required capacity.
So it uses formulas, conditionals, and loops to help with smart and sustainable engineering design.